Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're on little T4. It's about time I actually got on with some more of it and stuff. And yeah, it's been a while. I've just been driving around for a while. Well, I was until I fixed some work. So now it's time to get some more of the inside done. What I've already got done, I got the foam, which is, well, there you go, 3-inch thick. It's a dense high foam, so it doesn't take up too much space as in sitting for height wise, but it gives a nice comfort and stuff to sit in there. So you can start to see the shape of how it is. You've got the sides around the top, you've got the back bits here, which makes basically the bed from the centre. Same with the other side there, and the bits around the back. The general idea is I'm trying to make it different than everybody else's out there. We've got the roof lines to do, but that's later. But I'm trying to make it different than everybody else's out there. So instead of trimming it normally, like all you lot were expecting, we're going to use some coffee bags. So we've got all the Hessian coffee bags and stuff, which are going to line all the foam and the rest of it, and going to back it with some black stuff so it looks all smart and tidy. So I've got a helper today anyway. Hello, old man.
Hi.
So we're going to kind of get on with this lot, and hopefully you guys will enjoy what we're getting on with, and stay to the end. So I'm going to get set up and get cracking. Yep, now that works. Definitely happy with that bit. That's the bit that makes the bed as well, the rest of it. But admittedly it's not finished, got to put the black stuff on the back, but start to see the impression now between that and the wood. It looks quite good. Right, so far what you've seen me doing, we're getting it all nice and straight and stuff. We put a tiny bit into the corner there because that's where it's going to fall. These edges here, it's going to be needle and thread around it, which is going to be the same Hessian twine around the edges of it, so that curve, nice little edge on it and stuff like that, and we're just working our way through. It's just bit by bit, we're gradually getting there. As I said, this is the back, which will all get covered with the black stuff, but it's working our way around, getting it all done. And gradually there, we're going to have to join a bit in here, but my answer to it is I want another bit butted up to the edge, and needle and thread and start around again. So we're gradually getting there slowly. Actually looks pretty smart now. Still got to sew all the edge up around the edge of it and stuff and put the back stuff on it, but yeah, it gives the overall impression. Let's get some more of these cushions done, and I'll cut back in a little bit later and see how much we can get done. Well, there's those bits all in there. Still got to start to stitch up all the edges, which we're just about to get to in a second. But apologise about not getting so much footage and stuff. It's been one of those ones that I just kind of cracked on the stuff. And as you've seen, had a nice little visitor to do it with. So not very often get a chance to do stuff with my dad. So it was really, really nice to actually get on and do that little project with my dad. So yeah, I better get on with stitching these edges up, so we can make all these little edges look nice and neat and stuff. So that's my first protocol. What we're stitching them up with is not a little squirt over there, and stitch them up with some more hessian there and some big fat needles and go along each edges. So yeah, I'll get doing that, and then we can get on to doing the back afterwards. Well, that's one done and back in. As you can see, there's quite a nice little edge on the corner. All seals up and stuff, it blends in quite nicely. So the edges end up pretty nice in the end. So I got quite a few more done. So I'll get you on time lapse, we'll get all them not done. And then we'll move on to doing the underneath of them, I suppose. So we've got a few little joins to go along and stuff. So quite a bit of fun. I'm quite enjoying how this one's turned out. Hopefully you guys can see the end result now. So let's get them done. Well, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but that's the end of the result. It's got a nice little stitch right down the end. I don't know if it actually showed up the fact of where I've stuck it with the glue and stuff, it's got that thick and the glue's got that matted. The needle's struggling to actually get through, so I'm having to use a pair of pliers to do it. So it's taking a little while to actually get done. So I got that side still to get done, and the rest of the cushions. So I'll cut back in once it's all done, I think. Well, another day and all that. I got bored the other day of doing that. My fingers are absolutely killing. So I gave it a rest and stuff using needle and thread, but I got some of it done, and as you can see, it stitches in quite nicely. The rest of it, that one's done. All the edges are done around this one, so you can see what it'll look like all the way around. So that's what they're going to look like and stuff. But for now, I've got enough done now that I can start putting the backings on some of them. So I'll take one out and I'll show you what I mean by the black backing and stuff. Right, that's one of the back cushions. That's the one that sits along the back here anyway. But as you can see, all neat and stuff around the edges. Now you just got this mess on the back. So what I'm going to be doing, I got some very, very thick felt stuff, which I'm basically going to cut to the outside line all the way around and glue it on to finish all the back off. And it should, in theory, look pretty nice. So let's do this one together and stuff, show you what I mean by it, and then I can get cracking with some others. There's that. Too many bloody pockets, that's the bloody problem. Right, got a rough bit cut out now, so let's 23. Yeah, a bit hard to see, I know, but I ain't got it done, so. I can just about see it, which is all bad. I'm not cutting it out. That hopefully should be about right. So now you can see that that's a good side of one. That should now back the back of that really nicely and look quite tidy. I cocked up a little bit where I cut, but we'll do. Just some glue on that. Now I've got to play steady hand game, so I can't get the glue in places I don't want it, like around the edges. Once it's gone a bit tacky, so then it's as with all contact adhesive, you can start laying it down. As with contact adhesive, as long as you don't press it hard, it doesn't actually 100% bond. So you get your few seconds to line everything up. Like that, I've got a bit of kink going on there, so hold it in the middle where it needs to stay. Very much happy. Rub it all in. And like that, I think as you agree, he's good for him in Hoover and stuff. Finishes the back of the cushion off really, really well, neat and tidy. So, yeah, see you on time lapse and we'll get some more done.
I don't wanna waste a minute. Don't know when the plans bring it. If you got a glass, fill it. Cause I need it, Monday is a in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. Cause I need it, Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna think right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm...
Well, there we go, guys. I've just plonked all this lot back in just so you can see roughly what it's looking like and stuff. As we can see on the bottom, it's all the black edge and stuff on it. I've got to trim all of this lot in the black yet and make that look neater and stuff. And I've still got to do some roof linings and stuff like that. But what I've also done is, while I was there, I've done my back door panels, because even though I've got windows on the back, I don't like them. But I wanted to look for the windows outside. But now I got window blanks. So they're done. And we push that down into the right bits. It needs quite nice little edge along top there. Well, as you can see, slowly but surely we're getting somewhere. I've now started getting all the bases covered in black stuff. Also, where I had the metal sew over the edge, we put a bit of Hessian stuff in there. Same on the other side, so it finished it off quite nicely. Still got the covers to go over where the hatches are. So we've got them to do. Still got the back bit to do in black. But we've also got the roof lining and stuff to do. So, yeah, we're getting there slowly. Front roof lining's now done, which is there. That's been done a couple of days, so that's gone off nicely and stuff now. As you see, it's taken all to shape and everything quite nicely. So that'll replace that manky mess. As cool as all this, we've just been stacking stuff everywhere recently. But we're gradually getting there with it. So let's get a bit more done. And I'll try and record it this time instead of just like forget to put the camera on. So let's see if we can get a bit more done in there. And yeah, see how far we can get going. Alright, well, that's that back bit all done now and stuff, so that all trimmed out nice and stuff. As you can see, it's none of the horrible board showing, so when the cushions and stuff does get moved and stuff, it should look pretty good and stuff behind the back of that. Those two cushions at the back are stuck permanently, and they always will be. Same as the one that's just down this side here, that'll be there permanently as well. But at the end of the day, that's now that. I've still got to cover the trim, the hatches. Haven't decided if I'm going to put hinges on them or not yet, so I'm not going to trim them yet. So you probably, to be honest with you, well, you can see me actually trim them. I'll just do it off camera and stuff. But now, we gotta go up there, get all this roof lining and stuff done. So let's get this lot done and see what we can get on with that.
I don't wanna think right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to fucking drop it with you now. With you now. Tear the roof off every building. I know I'll be spending millions with you. Just tell me what you wanna do. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all. About to spend it all.
To be completely honest with you, I'm going to leave this episode where I am at the moment, because I've got to a bit where I need to get some other bits done and stuff. And to be honest with you, I want to get the interior and give you a reveal of the interior, what it's like when I got some other bits done, because I want to give you the overall impression a lot. But you've got the idea now what I'm getting up to. And yeah, it's been one of those Christmas projects. I'm quite happy that I've had the chance to actually get it done and actually had the company of getting it done. So it's been quite a pleasant one. But yeah, we're getting there slowly. But yeah, that's well, if you think what I've been up to and stuff, I had a bit of time off over Christmas and stuff, and then I've just been getting on with the T4 in a bit of time and stuff like that. But hopefully get back on a mission now and get going, get on like a Saab and things like that. So I'm going to bamoosh guys and stop rabbiting on and stuff. So hopefully all you guys are staying safe and stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.